On March 8th, 2021, it had been brought to the public's eye that Goonie Dre had been pronounced dead. On this day, there had been many rumors spread as to how Goonie Dre had passed away. In this video, I will be debunking all of these fake rumors and exposing the truth which they are hiding and don't want you to know about. The truth about Goonie Dre. The first rumor I would like to debunk is the suicide rumor. Goonie Dre did not commit suicide. Goonie Jacob faked that suicide letter in an attempt to cover up what really happened. Do not overreact although. He had a reason to do this. The second and final rumor I would like to debunk is the rumor that Goonie Jacob shot Goonie Dre. I can assure you that did not happen. I was an eyewitness as to what happened to Goonie Dre. Goonie Jacob is being forced to say that that is what happened. Now, you may be wondering, who was forcing Goonie Jacob to say all of this? Well, I'm going to explain, and in no way is this lies, fabricated, or truth-bending. These are all 100% facts, and I've confirmed from multiple eyewitnesses that this is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. As you may know, the popular Roblox YouTuber known as Dre'S owned a couple of different Discord servers. One was named Dre'S, and the other was named Terror. These were overall successful servers and played a big part into Dre'S reaching out to his community and staying involved with his fans. Unfortunately, one day, both of these servers got whizzed, and all of that hard work that Dre'S had put into the servers was put to waste in the matter of seconds. Now, you may be wondering, what does this have to do with Goonie Dre? Well, on the day of the whiz, one of the people who claimed responsibility was Goonie Dre himself, Dre'S' longtime friend of 5 years. Over the course of the next few weeks, Goonie Dre and Dre'S had been exposing each other and throwing shots at each other, as Dre'S expected Goonie Dre to always be there for him because it was a friend that he had known for such a long time, but this was just not the case. Finally, one day, Dre'S had enough, and he told Goonie Dre he would not argue over the internet anymore, so if he wanted to handle it, he could pull up to him in real life, implicating that he wanted a physical altercation, aka fight. With the high energy and hype around all of this happening, Goonie Dre decided to comply with this offer. Goonie Dre was residing in Omaha, Nebraska, and Goonie Jacob was residing in Tulsa, Oklahoma, so they both had made plans to fly out to California, where Dre'S lives, so they could go through with this physical altercation. Goonie Dre and Goonie Jacob had arrived to the Los Angeles airport, as Dre'S had told them to meet in downtown LA. The two Goonie members had then went to an Enterprise car rental so they could drive down to downtown Los Angeles. They had gotten their vehicle and made their trip downtown. They had arrived downtown and texted Dre'S, but he had told them to wait there as he had not arrived yet. So in the meantime, Goonie Dre and Jacob sat down at a Five Guys and were eating their food while getting mentally prepared for the fight that they were about to have. All of a sudden, Dre'S walks into the Five Guys with a fully loaded Glock 19 and shoots Goonie Dre in the chest 6 times, pronouncing him dead on the site. That's right, Dre'S killed Goonie Dre. I'm gonna play for you guys the leaked audio of the fatal shooting that occurred on Goonie Dre. Viewer discretion is advised.
Goonie Dre!
As you can hear by the audio, Goonie Dre felt a lot of pain before he died, and when the screams stopped, That is when he was pronounced dead on the scene. After killing Goonie Dre, Dre'S pointed the gun at Goonie Jacob and told him to get inside of his car. In fear for his life, Goonie Jacob entered the car and Dre'S took him to his house and has been holding him hostage in his basement ever since. That is the reason you don't see Goonie Jacob online anymore, and this is the reason Goonie Jacob was forced to make these fake allegations about killing Goonie Dre. So you may be wondering, why haven't the police been notified yet? Well, Dre'S is a master of espionage and hiding in the shadows. Him and Goonie Jacob have been on the run ever since. They have last been confirmed by the police to have been sighted in Nashville, Tennessee, but multiple reports have said that they were seen driving down the freeway in a red 2013 Ford F-150 truck in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This is the full truth. Everyone is trying to get you to believe a false rumor. Do not believe these false rumors. That is what the system wants you to believe. This kid is a cold-blooded murderer. He shot and killed Goonie Dre. If you see Dre'S Kid or Goonie Jacob, do not contact the police. I repeat, do not contact the police. Contact me on Discord by joining discord.gg/DJ and tagging me in the chat. My tag is DJ Trunks number 0001. He is armed and very dangerous. Do not approach. To Goonie Jacob, if you end up seeing this video, keep your head up and you will be freed soon and Dre'S Kid will be brought to justice. Thank you.